Do you also feel that some dishes don't just fill your stomach, they fill your heart, and roasted egg curry is just one of those? Well, the recipe is very simple, and it's going to be your next favorite too. Just boil few eggs and keep them aside. In this recipe, I've taken 6 eggs, and after cooked and peeled, now start splitting them into half with a knife. Before we start frying the eggs, we'll add in some masalas to the oil like turmeric, red chili powder, salt and cumin and coriander powder, and then toss in all the split eggs and gently fry them on both the sides and keep aside. Now in a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and some whole spices as shown. Next goes the tempering with mustard seeds and jeera. You can adjust the black pepper quantity based on your taste. Now add in the finely chopped onion. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized onions. Fry them for a minute and then add 2 slit green chilies. Next we'll add ginger garlic paste and fry them all together. This enhances the taste of the curry. Once the onions become translucent, start adding the masalas like turmeric, red chili powder, coriander and cumin powder. After frying them for a minute, now we will add the tomato puree. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Here we'll add some salt so that the tomatoes get cooked faster. Mix it all together and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now you can see the oil has started separating. We will add some water to adjust the consistency and cook it again for about 2 minutes. At this point, we will add the fried eggs to the curry. Gently slide them into the curry so that the flavor gets soaked into the eggs. Now top it off with kasuri methi. Wow, the curry already smells amazing. Garnish with some cilantro and the curry is all ready to be served. Pair it up with some hot rice or chapati. It goes well with both. Try this recipe at home and please let me know in the comments. If you like the video, please like, share or comment. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.